There's this bird that keeps on attacking our. Well, two birds now. Oh man, they're vicious. They keep on attacking my screen window. It's like, get out! Get out! Not sure what to do about them. My wife is gonna try to fix the screen door, but I think they're gonna come back and make more holes. This is what they did to another screen door. I think as they live close to the one of these trees, and so they're building their nest. This is all on the same side of my house. And finally this is another window. Man, they really tore it apart. Shudder.